He said, perfect praise shall be found in the mouth of little children. And tonight, I want to join the little children as I begin to join them as they do perfect praise in the sight of God. Are we ready to just join the children tonight? Ha! Come on. Children tonight. Woo! It's a Bible, it's a Bible, it's a Bible in my soul. When I'm singing, when I'm shouting, Jesus makes me whole. It's a Bible, it's a Bible, it's a Bible in my soul. When I'm shouting, Jesus' name. Come on, boys.
Some people don't like the standard, but I'm here to let you know that it's a bubbling, a bubbling, a bubbling, that it's a bubbling in my soul. Some people don't like the standard, but I'm here to let you know that it's a bubbling, a bubbling, a bubbling, that it's a bubbling.
Come on,
Some people don't like the standard, but I'm here to let you know that it's a bubbling, a bubbling, a bubbling, that it's a bubbling.
sing it again.
Some people don't like the standard, but I'm here to let you know that it's a bubbling, a bubbling, a bubbling, that it's a bubbling in my soul.
Come on. Woo! Give it up for the children tonight. Oh, come on, somebody give it up for the children. Give it up for the children tonight. Come on, give it up for the children. Ha, ha. One more time, give it up for the children. Come on. Come on, the children giving perfect praise to the Lord. Ah, come on, welcome to senior choir. Somebody. on, somebody, tonight. You are here for a worship experience. Give the Lord a shout tonight. Do you have somebody that wants to shout for the Lord tonight? Yeah. You know, the Bible said, nevertheless, David took the city of Zion and called it the city of David. And tonight we are here to declare some cities for some people. Tonight we are here to declare you are taking your city. And the Bible said when the children of Israel left Egypt to Canaan, the Bible said they were going into a land flowing with milk and honey. So tonight we are releasing some land and some cities. Are you ready for? We want to begin this worship experience by declaring God has given us the city. God has given us the land. Come on.